I struggle so much with keeping things organized. It's like a huge obstacle for me. So I'm gonna show you how it's actually easy. Maximize your space with a small desk area. You don't have to clutter everything on top in piles like I do. I'm gonna show you a super easy way to just declutter and have a nice, relaxing, clutter-free desk area in a small space.
What we do here is go back.
I always start off my morning with a nice diffuser blend. I'm using some citrus fresh and peppermint. It helps to just wake me up and get me motivated to clean up this mess, you guys. Oh my gosh, I am literally a recovering hoarder, and that's not even a joke. When it comes to papers and freaking cords, I am so bad at just throwing it in the basket, never thinking about it again, and just digging for it when I need it. It's the worst habit. There's no space for me to sit at my desk, and it's just such an eyesore. It's just not okay. What I start off doing is just grabbing everything. What is that? I don't even know. Grabbing everything and just putting it in different piles so I can find a home for it to put it away. There's always the most random crap up there, like a fishing line that was almost all the way unraveled. Okay, I haven't been fishing in a long time, but it's there. My fiance always makes fun of me because my headphones get so tangled. He calls it my bird's nest. I can't even lie. I let him get like that every time because I just don't really care, and I'm super unorganized. I don't know why it's so hard for me to get rid of like used envelopes, like bubble envelopes, because I just feel like I can reuse them. And I have like a little business that I run, and I'm like, oh, I can use this and just send my stuff in it. I don't know if that's ghetto or just frugal. I don't know, you tell me. So this is everything out of where it was and in sort of organized files. There's my little assistant. And yeah, it's a hot mess. There's a bunch of junk. So I'm just gonna go through everything, and I'm gonna show you my freaking mail slots. Not good. Not good, you guys. It literally just piles up, and I never ever look at it for like months. I pay my bills online, so I guess I need to just stop signing up for the paper bill, but I don't know, I just feel like I always need to have the paper bill, but I never look at it, so I'm gonna have to update my status on everything. And my husband and I run a trucking business, so we keep all our receipts for tax write-offs, and I am so behind. I'm literally shoving them in a huge freaking plastic bag so I can go through and scan them. So all of our trucking business stuff I keep in my room. I don't really have a lot of space, so I put it in this little container that I got from Target, and it has the hanging files, and I just shove a bunch of things in there, and it keeps it sort of organized. It's not beautiful, but it's functional for me, and it works. This is what I use to keep all of our personal information and our medical stuff. So now I'm just putting away all of my essential oil business stuff. I have another one of those pink containers, and I have to keep it under my bed because there's not a lot of room, but I just shove everything in there and it works alright for now. As you can see, it got a little dusty and a little nasty under that basket, so I'm just going in with a wet paper towel and just kind of wiping all the crumbs away. Then I'm just going through and cleaning everything with my favorite non-toxic cleaner. And don't worry, it's safe around kids. That's why I'm like spraying it with my daughter up there. It smells like cinnamon and it's so bomb. She is so cute. She loves to help me clean. She gets so excited. And I don't have to worry because it's really safe. It's not like I'm spraying something that's like toxic and can harm her. So I always let her help me clean. So I found a new home for the big bags of dog food. It was just like in my way all the time, not a good spot. And my dog was eating here for a while before I put the chair there, and it's all nasty. So I'm just going through and spraying it with my cleaner and using this crumb scraper from the dollar store. Now to the funnest part, showing you all the stuff I got. I got all these cute little drawer dividers from Target. They were super cheap and I loved the like pale pink. I got a couple different sizes and they came in like a 3-pack. So I have plenty to use and I'm obsessed with them. And then these little plastic drawers are the perfect thing for a small desk. I'm gonna hide it under the desk area so you won't even be able to see it, but I can put away all my stuff. And I got this little pencil holder with dividers, which is so nice for organization. So I got this paper organizer and I was so sad that it doesn't fit under the ledge. That's what I was hoping for, that would just fit nicely. But I need this so bad. This is where I'm going to put all my incoming mail, bills, coupons, receipts, so it doesn't just get like thrown in the pile. And this is just some stuff I had downstairs from my old desk, and I haven't even put it up since we moved here, so I'm going to see what I can use. Look how much better this freaking desk looks. I'm so excited. It's not beautiful, but it's functional. Like, this is what I'm working with, and I'm always on my computer. I'm always working at this desk, and it just makes me so relaxed seeing this. I ended up just putting the file folder on top of the drawers, and it fit perfectly. I'm glad I didn't get 2 of the drawers. And this is so nice for organization. It's not just a bunch of pens bunched up. Each one has its own category, which is so good for people who are unorganized like me. And then I just use this little paper holder, which is cute. And this is just for my laptop only. That's where I'm gonna keep it. And I had to put some Christmas stuff up because I hate the wires. So I'm gonna have some sort of decorations up there, so it's not just like ugly wires, but I'm gonna show you what it looks like without it, just to show you how like clean it is and there's no clutter, which is so amazing. This is my absolute favorite part, is just so organized. Each little cord has its own area, and all the little miscellaneous things that I use every day is just put nicely. So I have some envelopes, and I'm sad those things didn't fit in one on the side, but they fit perfectly like right in that little spot. And on the bottom, I have all my notebooks that I use all the time that are just always on the counters and taking up space. So now they're like completely hidden, and it's amazing. Here's what it looks like with the chair there. I need to get a desk chair, but that's just what I'm using right now. It's just, this has so much space, and she's already made a mess. But look how good it looks. You can do this too. I hope this gives you some motivation and get you excited about organizing your desk. Okay, I'm finally done, and honestly, I can tell you that it feels so good and relieving. Everything has a home, stress-free, clutter-free, and it literally makes me so happy. Just designate like an hour and just get as much done as you can. I hope you enjoyed this video. Remember, subscribe to my channel. I'll see you next week with another video.